I'm making everything but the kitchen sink pizza.
Oh, wow. You?
I need to know what's in his kitchen.
Well, this is a lot what's in the kitchen, but a lot of stuff, you know, we can't use, but there are bits and pieces. So I literally have cleaned out oil-cured olives, which I don't use a lot. I don't even know why they're in the fridge, but I'm gonna use them. I have cherry tomatoes, which I always have way too many. I have rotisserie chicken, Katie. This is, I believe
I always have
you sent me this
chicken.
one. And I've just shredded it up. I have some prosciutto left over, and then I have cheeses. So in this bowl is provolone, cheddar, and Swiss, a little sharp cheddar, and I have another block. I'm gonna finish some of this up here. And it really doesn't matter. You're just trying to use up the stuff because the wonder of pizza is oil, heat, cheese, bread, nirvana. That's the equation for nirvana.
That is my nirvana, for sure.
This is marinara. If it's bolognese, fine. If it's spicy arrabbiata, fine.
Ooh, vodka sauce?
If it's vodka sauce, fine. This is all. And then I have a store-bought pizza dough. You can buy this frozen, which I buy all the time, or you can go to your local pizzeria. They will sell you the ball. That's the best way to do it because it's always in the correct state of expansion and you have to be careful. Our oven is 500 degrees, as hot as possible. I used to put my oven on clean. It's even a little bit higher, but 500 is fine. And I have a stone, a round stone, a pizza stone. You really should get one because I use it for everything else in addition to pizza. It's really fantastic. We're gonna cook this right on top. All right, here we go.
Are you top racking it or bottom? I know there's different theories about where to place the pizza
I put it just in the middle.
There you go.
You know, and this is gonna cook probably 7 minutes. Okay.
Wait a minute, Jeff. I want to know where you put the pizza stone in the oven. You said up, bottom, controversial.
Well, it just depends on what kind of pizza I'm making. If it's like a quick, you know, super couple-minute high heat, I like to keep it up top so you get the bubbles and you get that kind of cornichon around the crust that gets nice and bubbly and black, and then the bottom kind of is timed correctly, so the bottom's perfectly cooked as well.
It is. Okay, so I'm putting on my tomato sauce. Now, normally I don't put that much on, but we're trying to use up our ingredients, right?
Oh, man.
Okay. I leave a little edge. And then at this point, it's like not a science. I'm gonna throw some tomatoes cut on top.
I always buy too many.
I'm a sucker for them.
Sun ripened.
My kid, my youngest son, George, loves to just open that up and sit and he'll eat a box of those.
Seriously.
So cute.
This is just shredded chicken. It's leftover. Rotisserie chickens. It's very inexpensive. And they usually, after one day, they get a little dry. So you're gonna need to just bury them in there. I'm gonna bury them in a little tiers of melted cheese. Okay, so here we go. So in this bowl is provolone, cheddar, and Swiss. I just grated it all together. But like I said, anything that's left over.
Like, would you ever do capers or
You could put capers, absolutely.
Or anything like that?
But anything tends to be like green, I tend to throw on at the very end when it comes out. Like we're gonna put on some basil and one more ingredient when we come out. And I'm just picking it like this. I'm trying to give it a bite satisfaction so that the person that gets the slice gets everything. So I don't know about you, but I salt and pepper my pizza.
Yeah, why not?
Because I salt and pepper everything, it's just a...
And I love your strategy of a lot of low moisture. Even though you grab random stuff from the fridge, you're not putting like real juicy stuff that's gonna seep into the dough and get soggy.
I actually use the dried mozzarella when I make pizza.
Me too.
Little olive oil, not too much.
Did you put Parmesan on there too?
I did sprinkle of Parmesan just because it's left over. We're gonna go into the peel here.
I don't know about you guys, but I love knowing that GZ makes a kitchen sink pizza.
I do.
It's kind of like mind-blowing for me.
See that?
Smooth, buddy. Oh,
here we go.
You got one ready to go?
Yeah, ready to go.
Double pizza?
Look at this, everyone.
Wow.
Oh, start singing.
Yeah.
Start singing.
On top of the pizza. I don't know.
Jeffrey, that crust looks so
it's
good.
Right? All right, so.
And you give this man a casual sweatshirt and look what happens.
Right?
Next thing you know, he's just emptying out his fridge. Wow.
A little
He
more.
looks like Dad right now.
Yeah.
Dad's in the kitchen making a pizza.
Dad vibes.
Touch of olive oil, and then a little arugula. Who doesn't have these? Like millions of these too. Like they're little, and they're like that much in each one.
Yes.
And you're so thoughtful when you bought it. So thoughtful. I mean, use it all up, and you don't. I'm just gonna put this on, and the heat coming up is gonna grab it and make it just
wilt ever so
slightly.
When you're cooking with leftovers, salad is the new herb.
Yeah, and you can put, this is arugula, you can put literally salad, watercress, that mixture, you can if you want. I chop it up. I chop old salad up a lot and use it as a garnish. Nobody knows it, it's delicious.
Sneaky, sneaky.
Sneak in some greens.
All my secrets,
This guy keeps going and going.
And there you have your beautiful kitchen sink pizza.
Beautiful.
Hey, Okay, shall we?
Yes.
We shall.
I love the sound.
What's better than pizza?
I don't know.
Honestly, is there anything better than pizza? I bet that olive and prosciutto, what a nice little salty bite you got right
Trying to
there.
get everything in the
Fork gather.
Man,
Fork gather.
Oh.
I'm so jealous right now.
The salt and the pepper and the cheese on top really makes a difference. It's so delicious. It's so satisfying. Wow. I want to go in again.